Welcome to Tally Learning Hub. In this session, you'll learn about the insightful inventory reports in Tally Prime. Inventories hold a huge amount of working capital, and being efficient will boost your cash flow. Insights from the inventory reports play a vital role here. The reports we'll discuss in this session are stock summary, movement analysis, stock aging analysis. Let's start with stock summary. Stock summary is a statement that displays the closing stock held on a given date and other useful information. From Gateway of Tally, press S for stock summary. If stock items are grouped like how Max Electronics have done, stock summary displays stock group-wise summary by default. Press Alt F5 for a detailed view. Now you can see the next level details, that is, subgroups and stock items. Press Shift plus Enter on the sub-stock group, let's say monitors, to see stock items under the selected group on the same screen. If you want to view a detailed stock summary with all stock groups, subgroups and stock items on the same screen, press F12 for Configure. Set Expand All Levels in Detailed Format to Yes. Now you can see details expanded till the last level, that is, stock group, subgroup, stock items at each go down or location. Press Alt plus F5 for a condensed view. Press F5 for item-wise to view item-wise summary without stock groups. Won't it be helpful if you get to know the item-wise profitability? Of course, it will help in knowing the products which yield high profits and ones with low profit. Press F7 for Show Profit. Now you can see the selling price, cost, and gross profit along with percentage. To hide profitability, again press F7. To view a monthly summary, press Enter on the stock item. Here, you can see month-wise inward and outward details along with the closing balance. Press Enter to view transaction details. This way, you can get to see finer details as you drill down. Press Escape to go back. Here is a tip for you. Using basis of values option available in the side menu, you can change parameters that affect the values in reports you see in Tally Prime. Let's say, to view sealable stock, that is, available stock considering the order committed, press Ctrl plus B for basis of values. In current stock position, select Sealable Stock and press Enter. Escape to go back to Stock Summary Report. Next report we'll discuss is Stock Movement Analysis. To view Movement Analysis Report, press Ctrl plus H for Change View. Select Movement Analysis. This report displays the flow of the inventories in an organization and helps you know fast-moving and slow-moving goods. Let's sort this report to see the fast-moving items. Press F12 for Configure. Set No to show inwards. In sorting method, select Quantity Decreasing. Press F5 for stock item-wise. You can see the fast moving on the top and the slowest ones on the bottom. Press Enter to see the customer-wise breakup. Further drill down will take you to the transaction details related to the party. Next powerful inventory report we'll discuss is Stock Aging Analysis. To view Stock Aging Report, press Alt plus G for Go To, type and select Stock Aging Analysis. Choose the stock group for which you want to see the details. I'm selecting Primary to view stock items of all stock group. By classifying the stock into different age intervals, it helps you to keep track of stock aging, as the older stock may depreciate or become obsolete and result in a loss. You can change aging period as it suits your business. To change, press F6 for aging period and mention the aging intervals. I'm going to enter that I want one column showing stock aging for 0 to 30 days, the next column for 30 to 60 days, followed by 60 to 90 days, and the last column for anything more than that. Using this report, you can track products that are unsold for a longer time and plan to sell those before it becomes too late. There are many more insightful inventory reports with numerous views that help you manage optimum inventory level always. Before we wrap up, here is a quick recap. Multi-dimensional view of stock summary with profitability. Knowing fast-moving and slow-moving goods using movement analysis. Stock aging analysis and setting different aging intervals.